The 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 is a powerful and versatile full-size pickup truck designed to cater to a wide range of drivers, from daily commuters to heavy-duty workers. It offers multiple engine options, including a 2.7-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, a 5.3-liter V8, a 6.2-liter V8, and a 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel. These engines provide varying levels of horsepower and torque, allowing drivers to choose the perfect balance between power and efficiency. The truck is available in multiple trims, including the SLE, Elevation, SLT, AT4, AT4X, Denali, and Denali Ultimate, each offering unique features and design elements to match different driving needs. Inside, the Sierra 1500 boasts a refined and technology-rich cabin with high-quality materials, spacious seating, and advanced features. A 13.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility comes standard in higher trims, while a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides essential driving information. The truck also includes premium options like a Bose audio system, leather upholstery, and ventilated seats for added comfort. For off-road enthusiasts, the AT4 and AT4X trims offer a factory-installed lift, underbody skid plates, all-terrain tires, and Multimatic DSSV dampers, making them capable of handling rugged terrains. The Sierra 1500 also excels in towing and hauling, with a maximum towing capacity of up to 13,200 pounds when properly equipped. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and an available Super Cruise hands-free driving system on select models. The 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 blends power, luxury, and modern technology, making it a well-rounded truck for work and play. Its combination of durability, performance, and advanced features ensures it remains a top contender in the full-size pickup truck market.